Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pharmacist Point. Today's video is going to be about how to use LinkedIn for job hunt. Let's go. I hope this video will be helpful for those freshers who are trying to find a job. First thing is to create a LinkedIn profile that can attract recruiters, as well as it should be professional. So add a professional picture, write a professional summary, and just complete your profile. So coming to professional summary, so let me show you my LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see that under my name I have added about my work, but for freshers what you can do is you can write about that you're a recent graduate and you're searching for a job. So if you take 10 LinkedIn profile, 8 of the LinkedIn profile will have a headline actively seeking a job or actively seeking a job opportunity or such that. So what happens is if you use this same headline is that it just makes you sound desperate, just desperate for job, nothing else. It's not showing much about you. So you have to use very creative headlines or headlines which specify the about your interest. Let me show you some examples. A recent PharmD or B.Pharm graduate with a focus in pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, scientific writing, open to work. Or if you're an experienced person, clinical pharmacist with 5-year experience in infectious disease or any department. Recent graduate open to new opportunities in regulatory affairs and clinical pharmacy services. Third clinical pharmacist with 3 months internship experience in oncology. So you can see what is the difference between these type of headlines and actively seeking a job opportunity. So these headlines really show like you about what field you're interested in and whether you're a graduate or you're an experienced person. Then in the about section you can write about your interest, about your any achievements or whatever work you have done during your internship. So everything can be added, and always try to complete your profile. You can add about your educational details, if you are having any experience you can write about it, and if you're having a work history you can also write about it. So complete your profile. Next important thing is making connections. So I got my job through connections. I got to know the vacancy through connections. So make connections. If you're interested to become a clinical pharmacist, find clinical pharmacist profiles, go connect with them. So once you get connected with one person, you can see their secondary connections and get connected. Start networking, try to talk to them, ask them if they know if there is any vacancies, let you know, or ask for references and all that. So try to interact, and if you're an experienced person you can ask for recommendations and testimonials from your colleagues or employers. You can ask your friends to endorse you on certain skills. So here I'll show you some skills. You can see skills here: clinical pharmacy, antibiotic stewardship, medication therapy management. So your friends can endorse you. You can also use LinkedIn groups to get connected. Next thing is to create creative content. So you can share informative content, professional content, share pictures, illustrations, blogs related to your field or your profession, share articles if you have publications. You can even use SlideShare, which is a part of LinkedIn where you can share your presentations, and always use hashtags. Hashtags make you recognize more. So if you're writing a post, add hashtag pharmacist, hashtag pharmacy student. So any hashtag will work related to the field. Now the easiest way is to share others' content. So when you share others' content, just make sure that you add some of your points to it. Either you can give a feedback or you can something related to that post and share. Just blindly sharing won't do anything good. Comment on it. You can write. Always appear professional in LinkedIn. So stay away from political newses or any other newses, negative informations or anything. Just stay away from it. Always appear professional. Share professional content related to your field, and always be honest. Whatever you add in your profile, it should be true. So these are a few tips from my side. Follow any drug related companies and relevant influencers. So there is a job search function in LinkedIn. Let me show you. So if you write any job, suppose I'm writing drug safety associate, see, you can see a lot of vacancies. So once if you subscribe to those, you will get notifications if they add any vacancies. So try to use this function. Always make sure you click open to work in your profile. Try to share informative post and try to comment, give your feedbacks, because this makes you notice more. So try to comment in informative videos or informative posts, so this will get you noticed and give you a good reach. Now, skill assessment and LinkedIn learning opportunities are something which LinkedIn provides. If you have any technical skills, if you know any computer applications, you can attend the quiz and get your skills assessed. And if you want to learn something new, you can always go for LinkedIn learning opportunities. I think it's paid, and sometimes you will get free courses too. Now, if you're creating a clinical pharmacist profile, make sure you add online courses. Try to do more online free courses. Try to attend webinars and give a feedback about those webinars in your profile. If you have publications or articles, try to add that. And if you're fresher, if you have done any campaigns, you can also write about those in your profile. So always keep your profile complete and try to update it every 2 to 3 months. So that's all. So this is how you use LinkedIn in a basic way. Let me conclude. First thing, a good profile. Second thing, get connected. Third, share creative content. 4, be professional. And next is that update your LinkedIn profile and try to be creative. Try to do things in your way. Just don't copy somebody else's headline into yours. Always try to write it out. So that's all. I hope this video was informative to everyone. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.